You think you're strong? You think you're capable? You think people respect you? Then why do they ignore you? Why do they walk past you like you don't exist? Why do they take what they want while you stand there, powerless? Wake up. You are weak. Look at your life. You are not feared. You are not respected. You are not a man of power, because deep down, you know the truth. You are soft. You are lazy. You are invisible, and the world does not care about invisible men. The harsh truth: nobody fears you. Have you ever seen a lion beg for respect? Have you ever seen a king ask for permission to rule? Number one, because the strong do not ask. They take exclamation mark, and the weak, they sit there, watching, waiting, hoping someone will recognize them. But nobody does. A weak man's words carry no weight. A weak man's presence is forgotten the moment he leaves. A weak man's life is a joke to those who are strong. And right now, you are that weak man. People do not fear you. They do not respect you. They use you. They take from you. They laugh at you the moment you turn your back. And why wouldn't they? You let them. The consequences: stay weak and be destroyed. Let me ask you something. When your enemies come, will you be ready? When life gets hard, will you survive? When you are tested, will you break? Or will you stand like a man? Because if you do not change, you will be crushed. The strong will take everything you love. The world will leave you with nothing. And when you beg for help, nobody will listen. This is the fate of weak men. Do you want that for yourself? Do you want to be the man who never mattered? Or do you want to rise and make the world respect your name? Because there is only one way out. The only way out: become a man worth fearing. Enough waiting, enough weakness, enough being ignored. It is time to become the man you were born to be. A man who is feared, a man who is respected, a man who walks into a room and everyone feels his power. And do you know what that takes? Pain, sacrifice, discipline. You must break yourself down and rebuild stronger. You must suffer until weakness is burned out of you. You must become a man who will never be ignored again. This is the price of power. Are you willing to pay it? The blueprint: how to become a man of power. Step 1. Control your body. A weak body equals a weak man. Train every day. No exceptions, no excuses. Become stronger than your enemies. Build a body that commands fear. Step 2. Control your mind. The weak are ruled by their emotions. No more complaining. No more fear. No more seeking validation from others. Your mind must be a weapon. Step 3. Control your world. Stop being a victim. Stop being a nobody. Walk with confidence. Speak with power. Take what is yours. No one will hand you success. You must seize it. The final choice: become strong or die weak. This is your moment. The moment where you decide what kind of man you will be. Will you continue being ignored, forgotten, disrespected, or will you rise? Will you become a man that people respect, a man that people fear, a man who does not beg, but takes what he deserves? There are only two choices: stay weak and be forgotten. Become powerful and make the world remember you. Decide now. Because if you wait, the world will decide for you, and it will choose to crush you. Get strong or be nothing.